So let me ask a question. Do open houses really work? So this is my 9th open house in this house with no visitors. So, am I gonna give up? No. One of the things that people don't realize when they're sitting in these open houses, and you can put your signs out all over the entire neighborhood. I have signs that go all the way out to basically the beginning entrance of the highway, which is 3 miles away, all the way into this open house, 3 days in a row. You know what? That's exposure. And when I market to this neighborhood, they see every weekend or every other weekend there's an open house held here. When the market slows down, it's all about exposure. So don't get frustrated if your house isn't selling. Look for those realtors that are willing to put the work in.